Dollar Bay is a superb development located in E14 and a welcome addition to Canary Wharf's beautiful skyline. Join us as we take a look around a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on the 20th floor.
This contemporary open-plan living room has views all across London and leads out onto a 200 square foot winter garden, which has all the benefits of a balcony but can be used all year round. This stunning, sleek, hat kitchen has fully integrated appliances, including a wine cooler and one of the coolest extraction units you've ever seen.
If you think that's cool, Matt, wait till you check out the electrically controlled windows in the winter garden.
The dining room has panoramic views all across London, and with bifolding doors allows you to separate your dining experience. The master bedroom suite is fully air conditioned, has panoramic views across the whole of Canary Wharf with access to the winter garden, sliding wardrobes, the ensuite bathroom,
And like the other rooms in this flat, also has amazing views. The main bathroom is fitted to the same high standard as the ensuite. This stunning 2-bedroom apartment is available to rent now at £700 a week. Simply give us a call to arrange a viewing. Thanks for watching.